I'm in the kitchen. If someone tells me, go back to the kitchen, I can say with full honesty that the kitchen does not want me here. Olivia, what did you do? I'll let you familiarize with that while I look at it and try not to cry. Here's the thing, I don't actually know what cayenne is. My parents are probably scared that I will poison them. I will put the arsenic into the Arsenic and Adobo, which by the way is the book that we're reviewing today, because I do not want to experiment with whatever other spices we have. So I'm just gonna go ahead and... Was that too much? And we're playing a game of how many ingredients can Polina substitute because she did not plan this in advance. This is horrendously messy. And shoot, I've forgotten whether I've added baking powder or not. Okay, I don't know how many sesame seeds you add. I should not have added the sprinkles, let's be honest. It's fine. A little bit of, you know... I'm gonna go ahead and mix these ingredients up like I have mixed feelings about the dialogue. Right before the exam. You hear something falling? That's the hopes of me becoming a baker. Okay, that explains the problem. It's not the recipe, it's me not being able to read and literally having a Bookstagram account.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really
fine. It's fine. I get a plastic bag and mash it up with my hands. Somewhere in the background you can hear Gordon Ramsay screaming. Butter. Forgot about that. Cool. I don't know how people make cooking videos aesthetic. Oh wait, yeah I do, because they know how to cook. Now all I need is some honey expert on the internet to be like, that honey does not look good. Then I'll be like, no, it doesn't look good right about now. My life as I'm mixing this. Now, as per the recipe, add some lemon. The lemon signifies how sour I am. At the Romans in this book. Crack some eggs like I'd like waitress to crack me. Wow. Oh my god. Gee, I got distracted. Okay, if you're wondering where I'm at currently in life, it's at rock bottom because I have been mixing these bananas for a solid 20 minutes. It should definitely not be taking that long. Hey, the butter has been melted. Ginger is optional. Y'all, for once, the only mistake I've made is not having cayenne. Well, and you know, spilling all this, but like... Now we're gonna mix the wet and the dry ingredients. So the dry ingredients are the pages of the book, and the wet ingredients are my tears at the warm idea behind the book and the family connections. I chopped these bananas up like I'd like to chop the detective in the book, and it is quite lumpy. I was just greasing the pan and now my hands are greasy at the derrick. Maybe cozy mysteries just aren't my thing because although I really like the plot, I felt that it was a little bit rushed. Also, I guess I'm just not that much of a foodie because it was brilliant for me to see how the Filipino culture was integrated, and it was lovely to read something new, but the many sentences about how much the character loves food just weren't my thing. Overall though, the atmosphere was great and it was pretty funny at times, so if you're into mysteries and you don't want them to be too graphic, I would definitely recommend this new release.